was our idea at first. But Hannah was a handful. She was always breaking the rules. She lied about it. She was you tried to so hard. But they told her she was very much of a done. And she didn't want to be a doctor. That's what she said. She had this notion that one day her father was going to come back for her. She told the caseworker she didn't care if they were split up. She wanted Sarah to have a family. She cared about her little sister. Sarah told us that Hannah had found her a job in New York City. We weren't so worried. Have you talked to her since? She lives in Georgia. Can we see it?
Dear Daddy, happy birthday from the Big Apple. I miss you both so much. Oh, Mommy, can you believe Madeline's baby is Lance's?